Hello my creative viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share different types of flower making using craft papers. So before starting guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more art videos. So let's get started. So here I'm taking my A4 size paper and I'm cutting 3 by 3 centimeter of square. From that I'm going to make the flower. Now I'll be cutting one more square, that is 2 by 2 centimeter. So one is 3 by 3 and the second one I want a little small. So that is 2 by 2 centimeter I'm taking over here. You can use them as it is, or for the emboss effect if you want, you can use the ball tools. I'm placing my embossing pad down and I'm giving the emboss effect with my different tools. Now I'm taking green paper and I'm taking the measurement 3 by 3 centimeter of square. Out of that I'm going to make the leaf. After cutting the square, just fold it diagonally and draw the shape of the leaf on the folded side. For my next flower, I have taken 2 square from my drawing sheet. That is, one is 3 by 3 centimeter and the second one, small one, I have taken 2 by 2 centimeter. And the same, I am going to fold it diagonally and then I am going to cut out the flower shape. Now to give the color to my white flower, I am using soft pastels and I am taking pink color, and with the help of dauber, I'll just give the tint on the edges. If you're comfortable with the dauber, you can use the dauber, or if you're comfortable with your finger, you can try with the finger also. Now I'll make the leaf. I'm taking a square from green paper, and on the folded part I'm just drawing like a coral shape, and I'll just cut it out. Now for my next flower, I am taking my A4 size paper and I am cutting 4 by 9 centimeter of the strip, which I am going to fan fold. For my next flower, I am taking my red paper and I am cutting the circle with the help of CD. Now here for next flower I am taking glitter foam sheet. From that I am going to cut two square. One is 3 by 3 centimeter and the second one I'll be taking 2 by 2 centimeter. Now after cutting the square, just fold the square part and with the help of scissors just give the small cuts on the folded lines. Now after cutting, just give the flower shape. Now here I'll take hot iron and I'm just going to press the foam flower on the iron. so that I'll get the emboss effect. While doing this, just be careful that you don't burn yourself. And if you can't do it with your finger, you can just take the tweezer. With the help of tweezer, you can just hold your flower and you can press it. Now I'll make the leaf with the foam sheet. The same technique, I'll just fold the square part and I'm going to cut it into the shape of the leaf. And after cutting, I'll use the iron for the emboss effect. So this is the way you can make your leaves along with the flowers and decorate your parties. And guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.